here's my report about matter and its properties, distinguish between physical and chemical properties, and give examples. So, all matter has a physical and chemical properties. Physical property is an aspect of matter that can be observed or measured without changing its chemical composition. Example, color, density, and the hardness. So, physical properties such ang solubility, viscosity, frequency, boiling point, and ductile. So, solubility, like kanang water, diba? Viscosity, example is kanang honey. Iyahang, diba, honey is higher yung carbon because honey is sticky. And then, chemical property may only be observed by changing the chemical identity of a substance. In other words, the only way to observe a chemical property is by performing a chemical reaction. This property measures the potential for undergoing chemical change. So example is reactivity, flammability, and oxidation states. So, tara, flammable, combustible, kanay pagkasunog, out and combustible, pagkasunog yapon, radioactive, toxic, mga hazardous or hazard effects, or oxidizer, explosive, and the pyroporic. Pyroporic example na is kaning materials are often water reactive and will ignite in the contact water and humid air. So, here's some examples about I define that it is a physical or a chemical property of matter. So freezing point, it's a physical because the temperature at which liquid turns into a solid when it's cold. So it is a physical. And then combustible, a chemical. Combustible materials is something that can burn in air. So it is a chemical. And then water reactive, also a chemical. A material that explodes violently reacts, produces flammable, toxic, or other hazardous gases. Ito ka ng nasunugan, di ba? Water reactive. So, viscous, viscous having a thick or sticky consistency or resistance of a fluid, liquid, or gas. And then toxic is a chemical, the substance, its ability to cause harmful effects. Condensation point, physical, like any water vapor. And then pyroporic, chemical. Pyroporic materials are often water reactive. Ito ko na masunugan eh. Kung na is ang pyroporic that can contact water or humid air. And then corrosive, it's a chemical. A substance causes damage by chemical action, a highly corrosive acid. Lastly, but not the least, is a melting point, physical. The temperature and at which a given solid will melt. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.